Babe, you're not even in the frame. No, you have to. No, babe, we have to say what's up first. What is up, you guys? So today I have a very special guest joining us. This is my boyfriend, Matt, and today we are filming the Boyfriend Does My Makeup Challenge. So we are really excited to get this started, and by we, I mean I'm really excited, and he probably hates his life. But anyway, before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you get notified you never miss one of my videos. And if you like this video and you thought it was funny, please give it a thumbs up. Alright, so I haven't told him really what anything is.
Where's the baking soda?
The what?
The baking flour. You know what I'm talking about? The baking stuff? Where's the stuff that you cake on first? What is all this garbage? Oh, this is gonna be good. I found the foundation.
Okay.
It's not foundation?
I'm not telling you.
Oh, base. It's not supposed to be white. Base coat. You wanna put it on this egg?
No. Yeah, sure.
Is that what it's for? It's a base coat. What? Okay.
Okay.
Here, well now we can't waste it. Okay, we'll just put this on now. Nice and base coated. We'll just leave that there. What is this? Oh, yeah.
It says right on the...
Oh, don't try to confuse me.
Look how much. Show them how much.
I don't need this egg.
Well, I definitely won't have any pores after this, that's for sure. Nice and primed with half the bottle.
It's too much on. Okay, wait, I need that egg. Just scrape off the excess.
It's exactly what the beauty blender's meant for.
It's caking on the bottom. Where's like paper towel? Now, next step, all the celebrities are doing now. Put on this baking soda. Baking formula.
Baking powder.
Alright, where's the baking brush? Mix it up. Kind of just bake it around the eyes like a raccoon. It's not even coming off. Need more. Just like a raccoon.
Oh my god.
Just let it. Just let it bake in there for a little bit and wipe it off later.
Oh yeah, is that how it works?
Alright, here's some foundation. We'll use the Fetty Wap. Got the Fetty Wap foundation primer.
It's Fenty.
Rub it into the egg. Test out in some spots first. Yeah, that's a good color. Okay, this egg's garbage.
I think this was a little light for my skin tone.
What do you mean? Looks good.
It was a little too light.
We need to absorb the excess.
You're wiping it all off.
How do we blend it in? Do some contouring.
Oh, please, because I look like a ghost right now. What is that? What's that sound?
Now we're gonna apply the autumn mist color.
Okay, that bird is like offended that you're doing my makeup so bad.
This is how a lot of celebrities
Jesus,
get
look.
those smoky. Ooh, this is how Benedict Cumberbatch gets his smoky cheek lines. Looks unusually good. This might be the best you've ever looked. Let's put on some more.
We're on to bronzer apparently to try and get rid of the clown mask.
We're gonna use this faux tan.
Oh boy, that's gonna be a lot.
Nice and sparkly.
Where are we putting it?
It's everywhere. Looks good. I'm gonna use some of this rosewood blush. Got a trusty blush broom. Put it on all the places where we didn't put the contouring. Get those rosy cheeks. Oh, looks good. We're using some eyebrow pomade.
Jeez. Oh god.
It's all on the wrist. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here, we'll just make them bigger on the rest of them. Shape them.
Alright.
Yeah. I'll just cover it up with something else. Yeah, it's good. We're gonna cover up a little mistake with this eyebrow powder. Get them nice and thick. What is this? Oh, oh yeah, I'm gonna draw on some eyebrows now.
Oh god.
There's no directions on any of these. Alright, looks perfect. We're gonna...
How are we gonna highlight?
Do some highlighting. I'm gonna use the Firefly palette. Get this all around this area.
Yeah. That's where the highlight goes.
And give you that rave look. It's like, look like you're ready to go to Coachella.
Oh, delightful.
Nice and sparkly. Well, I prefer to use the Amber collection. Alright, let's use...
Oh, no, we don't use that for eyeshadow. No.
Alright, it's eyeshadow, so what we're going to be doing is creating a shadow under your eyes. Since we're going with the sparkles theme, we're going to go with this
That's a lot.
Morgan Freeman gold. Might have been a little too much, but we can blend that in later. Happy little accidents. Alright, where's the blender?
Oh my god.
Babe, chill. Just blend it into the egg. Alright, wait, I'm gonna soak that up. We're gonna use the Brownaise Shade and Shimmer. We'll just cover up that other stuff. More. Oh, no, I gotta soak it up.
No.
Hey, let's cover it up and start over again. Here. Okay, we're gonna redo the palette. This brush is broken. Wait, where's the... I need to blend it. Looks good. Alright, usually you want to go with a lighter color. Go with the orange. Alright, you know what? We need to address the issue with the eyeshadow down there. Okay, we're just gonna run with this. Just bring it out.
This seems like a really big wing. I don't feel like this is right.
Blend that. Alright, it'll look fine once we put on some...
You can't see from here.
Some eyeliner.
So I guess we're doing eyeliner now.
I thought it was a pencil. Oh,
What?
How do I erase it?
You can't. You just have to keep working with it. It feels like you're doing an okay job with the wing.
What about on the bottom?
Okay.
That's too much.
I haven't used liquid eyeliner under my eyes since 8th grade.
Well, you probably should never do it again.
Excellent. You can't wipe it.
What do you mean?
Is it that bad? You can't wipe it, it'll smudge everywhere.
We need to erase it.
We can't.
Okay. We're gonna cover up some of the eyeliner down there.
Guess now we're using a different color foundation.
Just keep covering it up till you can't see it anymore. Well, that's good. It's blended.
So I don't need
Now
any more
we need lashes. We're gonna use this lash. Gonna use the lash wand. Whoa. Add some smoky accents.
Oh god, that's a lot of black. That seems like a lot of black eyeshadow.
No, it's a rainbow color. All right, we're gonna need some lipstick. On Fire Red. We're gonna draw a mouth on her. You could probably just leave it like that. Do that for me. Okay.
Are the lines even around my lips? Are the lines even?
Yeah. It looks good.
Am I beautiful yet?
It looks good.
Would you buy me a drink at the bar? If you tapped me on the shoulder and I turned around and I was like...
No, go. Here, bite down on this.
What's that gonna do?
We need to soak up some of that lipstick.
It's just gonna soak it up in the middle.
It's cool. We'll just cover it up.
I think we're done.
No, we're not done. We need to fix it.
I think we're done.
No.
So I guess we're cleaning up some of the lipstick right now because apparently it's not sexy.
It's just making it worse.
What's happening?
This is a bad idea.
What's happening?
It's just smearing the lipstick. Alright. I have a plan. Well, we need to take the attention off of your lips.
You can't leave!
It looks bad.
You can't leave!
You look like the Joker.
Alright, so it's time for the final reveal. I can't see from here what I look like, so...
Ta-da!
Babe, what did you do?
No, I just didn't have the right tools. Here, just bite. Just bite down.
That's not gonna help.
Yes, it
That's not
is.
gonna help.
No, I didn't have the right tools to work with.
I have nothing to say.
Oh. Oh, looks good.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. If you guys like this look and you think that I should rock this out in public, give me a big thumbs up. Comment below what your favorite part of this video was. Thank you for doing my makeup, baby. You did such a beautiful job. He's the next makeup artist. You can't leave me, I'm not done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you, baby, for doing my makeup and enduring this process. I love you.
Me too.